Hello, everyone. Are you wondering if dogs can eat gravy? Let's explore. No, dogs should not eat gravy, especially store-bought or homemade gravies that contain ingredients like onions, garlic, salt, and rich fats. These ingredients can be harmful to dogs and cause digestive problems like vomiting, diarrhea, or even more serious issues like pancreatitis. The high fat and salt content in gravy can also lead to weight gain, dehydration, or salt poisoning if consumed in large amounts. If you want to add flavor to your dog's food, it's best to use plain, low-sodium chicken or beef broth instead of gravy. Avoid giving your dog any food with heavy sauces or seasonings, as these are not suitable for their digestive system. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.